In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all comments in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, step by step, so that by the end, you'll know how to remove comments from your sheet safely and efficiently. This is especially useful if you've finished a project, you're cleaning things up for reporting, or you simply don't want old discussions cluttering your view. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account. From your home screen or recent items, navigate to the project sheet where the comments you want to delete are stored. Make sure you're opening the correct sheet, because deleting comments is permanent and can't be undone easily. Once the sheet is open, locate the cell or row that contains a comment. In Smartsheet, comments are usually indicated by a small icon or highlight on the cell. Click directly on that highlight or comment icon. This will open the comment panel or a small pop-up showing the conversation attached to that cell or row. With the comment window open, look for the options menu associated with the specific comment you want to remove. This is often represented by 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow. Click on that highlighted menu. A list of actions should appear, including an option to delete the comment. From that menu, select Delete Comment. At this point, Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm, just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. In the confirmation dialog that appears, click on Delete. The comment will be permanently removed from that cell's discussion thread. Now repeat the process for the next comment you want to delete. Click the next highlighted comment icon in your sheet to open the conversation, then open the options menu for that comment. Again, choose Delete Comment from the list. When the confirmation dialog pops up, click Delete to finalize the removal. You'll continue working through your sheet in the same way, moving from one highlighted comment icon to the next, opening the comment, choosing Delete Comment, and then confirming by clicking Delete. While Smartsheet doesn't currently offer a single button to wipe all comments at once, this method ensures you stay in control of exactly which discussions you clear out. Once you've gone through all the highlighted cells and confirmed each deletion, your sheet will be free of those comments, leaving you with a cleaner, more focused view of your project data.